Hello everyone. I trust you are all well and in good health. Please find below a comprehensive list of 100 questions and answers related to insurance. This guide will be useful for gaining a better understanding of various aspects of insurance. General insurance questions 1. What is insurance? Answer. Insurance is a contract that protects against financial loss or risk. 2. What are the main types of insurance? Answer. The main types include life, health, auto, home, and liability insurance. 3. What is a premium? Answer. A premium is the amount you pay for an insurance policy. 4. What is a deductible? Answer. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance coverage kicks in. 5. What is a policy limit? Answer. A policy limit is the maximum amount an insurance company will pay for a covered loss. 6. What is a beneficiary? Answer. A beneficiary is a person designated to receive benefits from an insurance policy upon the insured's death. 7. What is a claim? Answer. A claim is a request made to an insurance company for payment of benefits. 8. What does it mean to be underinsured? Answer. Being underinsured means having insufficient coverage to cover potential losses. 9. What is liability insurance? Answer. Liability insurance protects against claims resulting from injuries and damage to people or property. 10. What is the difference between term and whole life insurance? Answer. Term life insurance lasts for a specific period, while whole life insurance provides coverage for the insured's lifetime and includes a cash value component. Health insurance 11. What is health insurance? Answer. Health insurance is coverage that pays for medical expenses incurred by the insured. 12. What is an HMO? Answer. A health maintenance organization, HMO, is a type of health insurance plan that requires members to use a network of doctors. 13. What is a PPO? Answer. A preferred provider organization, PPO, is a health plan that offers more flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. 14. What is a copay? Answer. A copay is a fixed amount paid by the insured for specific services. 15. What is an out-of-pocket maximum? Answer. An out-of-pocket maximum is the most you'll pay for covered healthcare services in a plan year. 16. What does pre-existing condition mean? Answer. A pre-existing condition is a health issue that existed before obtaining a new insurance policy. 17. What is a formulary? Answer. A formulary is a list of medications covered by a health insurance plan. 18. What is Medicaid? Answer. Medicaid is a state and federal program that provides health coverage for eligible low-income individuals. 19. What is Medicare? Answer. Medicare is a federal program that provides health coverage for individuals aged 65 and older. 20. What is COBRA? Answer. The Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act, COBRA, allows individuals to continue their health coverage after leaving a job. Auto insurance 21. What is auto insurance? Answer. Auto insurance is a contract between the vehicle owner and an insurance company to protect against losses related to car accidents. 22. What are the minimum coverage requirements for auto insurance? Answer. Requirements vary by state but typically include liability insurance for bodily injury and property damage. 23. What is comprehensive coverage? Answer. Comprehensive coverage protects against damages to your vehicle not involving a collision, such as theft or weather damage. 24. What is collision coverage? Answer. Collision coverage pays for damage to your vehicle resulting from a collision with another vehicle or object. 25. What factors affect auto insurance premiums? Answer: factors include driving history, age, gender, location, and type of vehicle. 26. What is uninsured motorist coverage? Answer: this coverage protects you in case you're involved in an accident with a driver who has no insurance. 27. What is underinsured motorist coverage? Answer: underinsured motorist coverage protects you if the other driver's insurance is insufficient to cover your damages. 28. What should I do after an auto accident? Answer: ensure safety, call the police, exchange information with the other driver, and contact your insurer. 29. What is a total loss? Answer: a total loss occurs when the cost to repair a vehicle exceeds its actual cash value. 30. Can my insurance be cancelled after an accident? Answer: yes. Insurers can cancel or non-renew policies after a significant claim. Home insurance. 31. What is homeowners insurance? Answer: homeowners insurance protects against losses and damages to an individual's home. 32. What does home insurance cover? Answer: home insurance typically covers the structure, personal property, liability, and additional living expenses. 33. What is renter's insurance? Answer: renter's insurance covers personal property for individuals renting a home or apartment. 34. What is a homeowners association? HOA insurance. Answer: HOA insurance generally covers common areas, while individual homeowners must get their own policies for personal property. 35. What is a peril? Answer: a peril is a specific risk or cause of loss covered by an insurance policy, such as fire or theft. 36. What is actual cash value? Answer: actual cash value is the replacement cost of an item minus depreciation. 37. What is replacement cost? Answer: replacement cost covers the full cost to replace an item without deducting for depreciation. 38. What should I do if my home is damaged? Answer: document the damage, file a claim with your insurer, and begin repairs as soon as it's safe to do so. 39. What is loss of use coverage? Answer: loss of use coverage pays for temporary living expenses if your home becomes uninhabitable. 40. How is homeowners insurance different from flood insurance? Answer: homeowners insurance typically does not cover flood damage. Separate flood insurance is often needed. Life insurance. 41. What is life insurance? Answer: life insurance provides financial protection to beneficiaries upon the insured's death. 42. When should I buy life insurance? Answer: you should consider buying life insurance when you have dependents or significant financial obligations. 43. What is a term life policy? Answer: a term life policy provides coverage for a specific period, paying benefits only if the insured dies during that term. 44. What is whole life insurance? Answer: whole life insurance provides coverage for the insured's entire lifetime and can build cash value. 45. What is universal life insurance? Answer: universal life insurance offers flexible premiums and death benefits with a cash value component. 46. What is accidental death insurance? Answer: this type of policy pays benefits only if the insured dies from an accident. 47. What is an insurance rider? Answer: an insurance rider is an additional benefit added to a policy, typically requiring an extra premium. 48. What is conversion privilege? Answer: conversion privilege allows a term life policyholder to convert their policy to a permanent policy without a health exam. 49. What happens if I stop paying my life insurance premium? Answer. If you stop paying premiums, your policy may lapse, and you may lose coverage. 50. Can I borrow against my life insurance? Answer. If you have a whole or universal life policy, you can often borrow against its cash value. Business insurance. 51. What is business insurance? Answer. Business insurance protects companies from financial losses due to events that may occur during normal business operations. 52. What is general liability insurance? Answer. General liability insurance protects businesses from claims of bodily injury and property damage. 53. What is professional liability insurance? Answer. Professional liability insurance covers businesses against claims of negligence or malpractice. 54. What is workers' compensation insurance? Answer. Workers' compensation insurance provides wage replacement and medical benefits to employees injured in the course of employment. Answer. 55. What is property insurance for businesses? Ans. Property insurance protects business property against theft or damage. 56. What is business interruption insurance? Answer. Business interruption insurance covers lost income during periods of suspended operations due to a disaster. 57. Is business insurance required? Answer. While not always legally required. Certain types, like workers' compensation, are mandated in many jurisdictions. 58. What is cyber liability insurance? Answer. Cyber liability insurance protects businesses against data breaches and other cyber risks. 59. What should I consider when purchasing business insurance? Answer. You should evaluate business size, industry risks, and legal requirements. 60. What is a certificate of insurance? Answer. A certificate of insurance is a document proving that a business has insurance coverage.
दावे और अंडरराइटिंग मिक्सर। अंडरराइटिंग क्या है? जवाब, अंडरराइटिंग वो अमल है जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनियों को खतरा का अंदाजा करने और पॉलिसी की शराइत और प्रीमियम का तयन करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है। 62. दावा दायर करने के लिए किस मालूमात की जरूरत है? जवाब, आमतौर पर आपको पॉलिसी की तफसीलात, नुकसान की तफसील और मुआविन दस्तावेजात की जरूरत होती है। 63. दावा एडजस्टर क्या है? जवाब, एक दावा एडजस्ट इंश्योरेंस कंपनी की जिम्मेदारी का तयन करने के लिए दावों की तफ्तीश और जायजा लेता है। 64. दावे को तय करने में कितना वक्त लगता है? जवाब, दावे की पेचीदगी और इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के अमल की बुनियाद पर तस्फिया के औकात मुख्तलिफ होते हैं। 65. अगर मेरे दावे से इनकार किया जाए तो क्या होगा? जवाब, अगर इनकार किया गया तो बीमा दहिंदगान से वजाहत की दरखास्त करें, पॉलिसी का जायजा लें और अगर जरूरी हो तो फैसले पर अपील करने पर गौर करें। 66. सब्रोगेशन का दावा क्या है? जवाब, सब्रोगेशन का दावा एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को किसी तीसरे फरीक के खिलाफ बाजियाबी हासिल करने की इजाजत देता है जिसकी वजह से बीमा शुदा नुकसान हुआ। 67. इंश्योरेंस धोखाधड़ी क्या है? जवाब, इंश्योरेंस धोखाधड़ी उस वक्त होती है जब कोई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को धोखा देता है ताकि गैर मनकूला मुनाफा या फायदा हासिल किया जा सके। 68. में इंश्योरेंस
Thank you very much. Thank you.